I'm Craig Heiser with Cardinal Gates, and this is Mack. We get a lot of requests from customers about dogs and cats bolting out of the house when you open the front door. So say somebody knocks on the front door. Well, what do you know? Thank you. Sorry, Mack. So you've noticed I've installed a retractable gate, which is great for inside the house, door frames, on walls, but you can also mount it on your trim and then the latch part on the back of the door. And so when you do that, and when you do that, you've created a barrier so when the door opens, Mack can't get out. So you can always just take this off if you want to keep that on the wall and not have it on the back of the door. It's not a big deal, you just unlatch it. So it's really important if you set your retractable gate up as a door fence like this to always have this disengaged. You'll see the red. That means it's free to move back and forth. If it's lock's engaged, it won't. So you always want to just have this, push that little tab, pull that up, and it's good to go.